Now, Team Anna and the government seem all set for a showdown, with the Delhi police rejecting Team Anna's undertaking and the civil society activists now threatening court arrest. Now, the Delhi police has rejected the undertaking by Team Anna. The police says it won't give permission for the proposed fast unless all the conditions imposed by it are met. Team Anna has accepted 16 of the 22 riders posed by the Delhi police. The 6 that have been rejected by them are a 3-day time limit, cap of 5,000 supporters, presence of government's medical observer and no loudspeakers beyond 9 p.m. Also, no shamiana on the road and parking space for only 50 cars.
जहां पुलिस रोकेगी हम शांतिपूर्वक वहीं रुक जाएंगे और अगर सरकार वहां पे बैठने नहीं देती है पुलिस तो हम फिर गिरफ्तारी देंगे। कि सरकार को इस देश के लोगों से डर लगने लगा है, ये जनतंत्र के लिए बहुत खतरनाक है। सरकार जनता की जनभावनाओं का निरादर करके उनके खिलाफ जाके शांतिपूर्ण आंदोलनों को देश भर में कुचल रही है, धारा 144 का मिसयूज कर रही है।
Common man is voicing against the Sarkari Lokpal bill and the PM says you have no right to fast. But fall in line. So it's an imposition of a bill which people's voice, not people's vote, people's voice is rejecting repeatedly through seminars, referendums and etc.
अगर गिरफ्तार करना चाहते हैं तो जरूर करें, वो देखी जाएगी, लेकिन ये बिल्कुल गैर लोकतांत्रिक होगा। ये तो फिर बिल्कुल एक तरह की तानाशाही इस देश में, जिसका कि जो कि इमरजेंसी के समय जरूर हुई थी। अगर उस तरह की तानाशाही इस देश में कायम करना चाहते हैं तो कोशिश जरूर कर लें।
जो लोग इस बिल से सहमत नहीं हैं, वो अपना नजरिया पार्लियामेंट और राजनीतिक दलों तथा बेशक प्रेस को भी बता सकते हैं, लेकिन मेरा ये भी मानना है कि हमें अनशन और भूख हड़ताल का सहारा नहीं लेना चाहिए।
They want to agitate, they want to protest, that's part of their right, but it is the government's responsibility and the proper department's responsibility to ensure safety. You can't allow any major gathering in the country in today's circumstances. You can't allow a major gathering which is uncontrolled.
राइट टू प्रोटेस्ट हम सब का संवैधानिक हक है, मगर उसको एक समाज में जब हर एक अपना हक जमाना चाहता है तो इजाज़त लेनी पड़ती है कि वहाँ कानूनी व्यवस्था कैसी है, वहाँ ट्रैफिक को कितना उल्लंघन होगा, लोग जो अपने रोजमर्रा के काम पर जा रहे हैं उनके काम में कोई अड़चन आती है।
Once a bill is in Parliament, there can be no protest in this country is highly undemocratic. And the Congress is forgotten when it was an opposition, and when it is an opposition even in the states. There are so many occasions where they do not agree with the bill and they have protested, and they should protest. They have every right to.
Once permission has been denied, so they are not supposed to assemble there. And if they assemble, that will be unlawful assembly. It will be handled or dealt with as per the law. The restriction, they had requested for a permission for the JPN Park only. We have denied that. If they assemble there, it would amount to violation of this Supreme Court or the court guidelines, because court has issued certain guidelines in past, and they are being followed by all the organizers, whosoever is carrying out the procession, rally. And it is not in case of this only. In other cases also, undertakings are obtained from the organizers, and organizers are requested and that as and when any lawful directions are issued, they should abide by that.